Thanks for taking the time to look at one of our Triton product information videos. This time we're going to be looking at the Triton Cemflex steel water bar. Now this is a great product to be installed in any type of construction joint. One of the key benefits is that it doesn't start to swell prematurely like some hydrophilic water bars can do if it gets wet. So if it gets rained on, it's still ready to roll. You don't have to remove it and replace it. It's also got a really good crystalline coating on which bonds with the fresh concrete once the concrete is surrounding it. That comes with two different types of clip available. The first one is a really simple clip that just overlays two sections of water bar to keep them in place, so they're firmly held together. The other clip that's available is one that's designed to tie in with the steel reinforcement at the time of the steel reinforcement installation, and it keeps it in a nice upright position. So if you'd like any more information about this or any of our other products, please contact us via our contact page on our website, tritonsystems.co.uk.